So the formula here is basically just like the previous obligation. You have a person followed by co, right? Michael ko, Katie ko, Jason ko, John ko, or if you were to use pronouns, mujhe or mujhko, aapko, humko, then you are using the verb in the infinitive form, which is basically verb ending with na. After that, the magic is really happening with padna. How that translates into English? X, which is your subject, is or was or will be forced to do the verb. It's not doing the verb, but it will be to do the verb. That's why it's in the infinitive form. Right? Any question on the formula? Okay. So one thing we did in the previous class also, just to go over the example, Sarah was forced to go. So the past example would be Sarah ko jana pada, because the flight got rescheduled or maybe some family emergency, something beyond the control of Sarah, right? So you have a subject followed by ko, Sarah ko, and verb in the infinitive form, and padna in the past, Sarah ko jana pada. Why the infinitive form is jana and not jani? Because by default you rely on, or if there is nothing before jana, by default you lean toward masculine singular, right? But imagine the verb is like you had to write. It could be Sarah ko likhna pada. But the question is, kya likhna pada? If it is a report is considered feminine, right? And in that changes, Sarah ko report likhni padi, right? Because the direct object that you have is deciding, not the subject. So regardless of Kavita ji, you are writing it or I am writing it, both of us will say, mujhe report likhni padi. Ashi ko report likhni padi, Kavita ko report likhni padi. Yeah? Or email likhni padi, because email, report, they are considered feminine in Hindi, right? Next one is future tense, which I covered it briefly, and we'll do a lot of exercises for this. Unko, which is we, they, plus ko becomes unko. Unko raat bhar rukna. What is rukna in Hindi? To stay. Unko raat bhar rukna padega. Future tense, right? Padega. They will have to stay overnight, right? You can look at it if you are reading it, a sentence, a newspaper, you can tell by the ending whether it is pada or padta hai versus padega. So recently, there is some issue going on with one of the domestic airlines in India. You can tell passengers ko raat bhar airport pe rukna padega. They will have to stay because of the flight cancellation, etc. Right. So now what we'll do, we'll break it down. We'll do exercise for each scenario or each tense. So make sure that you guys do the repetition.